Hey there, Globetrotters! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you explore the world without breaking the bank. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic: the best cities to visit on a budget. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a budget-conscious traveler, we've got you covered with a list of wallet-friendly destinations that offer incredible experiences without draining your savings account. First up, we have Barcelona, a city that seamlessly combines history, culture, and stunning architecture. With its free public parks, budget-friendly tapas bars, and mesmerizing Gothic quarter, Barcelona offers a rich and affordable experience that will leave you in awe. Next on our list is Bangkok, the vibrant capital of Thailand. Here, you'll find a mesmerizing blend of street food, bustling markets, and awe-inspiring temples. From exploring the Grand Palace to indulging in inexpensive street eats, Bangkok offers a sensory overload that won't hurt your wallet. Our next stop takes us to Amsterdam, a city famous for its picturesque canals, historic architecture, and vibrant art scene. Rent a bike and explore the city like a local, visit the world-class museums, and don't miss out on the colorful tulip fields during the springtime. Amsterdam's budget-friendly hostels and street food options make it a perfect destination for those seeking affordable adventures. Moving on, we have Prague, a gem nestled in the heart of Europe. This fairy tale city captivates visitors with its historic charm, medieval architecture, and affordable prices. From strolling across the Charles Bridge to exploring the Prague Castle complex, Prague offers a magical experience without breaking the bank. Last but not least, we have Bali, a tropical paradise that enchants travelers with its stunning beaches, lush landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. Bali offers an abundance of affordable accommodations, local markets with bargain prices, and breathtaking natural attractions such as waterfalls and rice terraces. It's a budget traveler's dream come true. So, there you have it, our top picks for the best cities to visit on a budget. Whether you're a backpacker, a solo traveler, or a family on a tight budget, these destinations offer incredible experiences and memories that won't break the bank. Remember, adventure awaits, and with a little planning and research, you can embark on unforgettable journeys without sacrificing your savings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly travel tips and destination guides. Until next time, happy travel!